warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:30 a.m. At 9:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Narberth, or 7 miles west of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Conshohocken, Ambler, Jenkintown, Narberth, Rockledge, Plymouth Meeting, Germantown, Bryn Mawr, Chestnut Hill, Roxborough, West Conshohocken, Penn Fort Washington, Glenside, Fleurtown, Ardmore, Orland, Windmere, and Wyncote. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 334 and 340. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 331 and 339. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 17. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.